Welcome, today I am with Motorola Edge 20 Pro and we are going to make the HardReset.Info test with the volume level, the highest volume level of this device. So I'm going to measure sound with this decibel meter. Right now I'm going to turn it on and set it up to the highest volume level. Just like that. As you can see, it's turned on. And it means that right now the values that you can see on the screen will only change when this device register the highest volume level from this device than the previous one. So that's obvious, right? So right now I'm gonna have to turn it on to the highest quality and the highest volume level, and let's start the test. Okay, that's strange because our YouTube is just turned off. Okay, let's make something like that. Let's try to turn it on back. Okay, looks like right now it's fine. So let's turn on this song back. There was someone here. Okay, so as you can see, Motorola Edge 20 Pro reach 112.6 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.